So today I'm going to show you how you can remove a coffee cup or a glass ring from your Scaramanga chest. So typically that will happen if it's a hot cup that you're using, or you have a glass that's wet. So to start with, we always recommend using a good quality wax, and we use Bry Wax medium brown. And then we recommend using a medium grade wire wool. Use gloves obviously to stop wax and the wire wool getting in your fingers. And then just dip the wax in, and then just through where the stain is, just work along the grain of the wood like that. Don't go in circular movements because you'll then scratch the wood, but if you go in long elliptical movements along like that, then it'll work really well. And it makes sense that while you're doing the ring, to do the rest of the chest, otherwise you're going to get a bit of a colour imbalance. So. And then once you've applied the wax, get an old cloth, ideally cotton, ideally wool if you have an old jumper, and then buff it up, applying a little bit of pressure all the way along. And hey presto, we have one coffee cup or one wet glass ring has been removed from your Scaramanga chest.